Are you looking for the best rotary tools in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 6 best rotary tools that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 1, Goksui Rotary Tool. If you're looking for a versatile, affordable rotary tool that can handle a variety of projects, the Goksui G4007 is a great option. Goksui Rotary Toolkit G4007 is a versatile and powerful tool that is perfect for a wide range of applications. It comes with a quick change drill chuck, 3-jaw universal chuck, and 140 PCS attachment and accessory. The variable speed dial is easy to use and the compact design makes it handhold size and lightweight. The Goksui Rotary Toolkit G4007 is a great choice for the DIY enthusiast. At number 2, makes a great Dremel variable for the people who are keen on handmade stuff. The Dremel 3000 is a versatile rotary toolkit that includes a corded rotary tool, 1 attachment, 25 high-quality Dremel accessories, a plastic storage case, and an accessory case. The Dremel 3000 has a high-performance 1.2 amp motor that provides maximum power and performance at all speeds. The 6 variable speeds provide greater control and maximum accessory versatility and precise tool control. The innovative airflow system ventilation mechanism helps prevent heat buildup for smoother, cooler, and quieter operation. The slim and ergonomic body has a 360-degree grip zone for added comfort and grip during extended use. The 25 versatile accessories included are ideal for DIY or crafting projects like detail sanding, sharpening, grinding, cutting, carving, variable speed polishing, and cleaning. The 1 attachment included is the A550 shield. The Dremel 3000 has a 2-year tool warranty and USA-based customer service is available by chat, email, phone, or visit us at our service center in Racine, Wisconsin. At number 3, WEN Rotary Tool. The Dremel 3000-1/25 variable speed rotary tool is perfect for a variety of applications. With its variable speed of 8,000 to 30,000 RPM, it can handle everything from sanding and polishing to drilling and grinding. The included 80-piece accessory set has all the bits and discs you need to get started, and the onboard spindle lock makes for quick and easy bit changes. The 2.3mm and 3.2mm collets are also included. For jobs requiring intricate detail and precision, you can attach the included flex shaft. Overall, the Dremel 3000-1/25 variable speed rotary tool is a versatile and powerful tool that is perfect for a variety of applications. At number 4, Dremel Speed Rotary Tool Kit. The Dremel 3000 Rotary Tool Kit is a versatile and powerful tool that is perfect for any DIY or crafting project. The high-performance 1.2 amp motor provides maximum power and performance at all speeds, while the 6 variable speeds allow for greater control and maximum accessory versatility. The innovative airflow system helps prevent heat buildup for smoother, cooler, and quieter operation, and the slim and ergonomic body provides a comfortable and secure grip during extended use. The 28 versatile accessories included in this kit are ideal for sanding, sharpening, grinding, cutting, carving, polishing, and cleaning, and the 2-year tool warranty and US-based customer service make this an excellent choice for any rotary tool user. At number 5, Dremel Performance Tool Kit. The Dremel 4300 is a high-performance rotary tool that comes with 5 attachments and 40 high-quality Dremel accessories. It also has a universal 3-jaw chuck that allows you to use all Dremel accessory shank sizes. The 4300 is also compatible with the entire line of Dremel high-quality accessories. The pivot light is a great feature that allows you to illuminate your projects even in difficult-to-reach spaces. The slim and ergonomic body is perfect for added comfort and grip during extended use. The separate on-off switch and speed dial are also great features that add to the convenience and control of the tool. At number 6, High-Spec Corded Toolkit. The High-Spec Dremel Toolkit is a versatile set that can be used for repairs, crafting, and hobbies. It includes a precision drill, a cutter, a sander, and a polisher, making it a versatile tool for detailed work. The Dremel-compatible accessory bits make it easy to follow the owner's manual and use the toolkit with precision. The thumbwheel controls the speed of the tool, making it easy to use for a variety of tasks. The solid weight of the toolkit makes it easy to use with one or two hands, and the cord is long enough to reach most areas. The high-spec Dremel toolkit is a great choice for anyone looking for a versatile, precision toolkit. It is easy to use and includes all the accessories you need to get started. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.